Hi there everybody, my name is Chris and I'm part of the Galileo FX support team. Today I want to show you how to install our software on the MetaTrader 4 platform. So first of all, we're going to start with the zip file that you have received. You can see that it's archived, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to extract everything and make sure that we can use the file. So you can right click it, you can just select extract files, and we are going to extract them. I'm going to extract them on the desktop as they're going to be easily accessible. There we go. You can see that it unzipped and extracted the files on the desktop here. We're going to put them here because we are going to need them. After you've done this, you can open up your MetaTrader 4 platform. You head over to File. Then you have an option that says Open Data Folder. So we access it. After you have accessed it, you can close your MetaTrader for the moment. And we are looking for this file, MQL4. This is the file for the MetaTrader 4 platform. We access it. We go over to Experts. Now we can see all the pre-installed software that came with the platform. So then you just move your window somewhere that it won't bother you. Then you're looking for this file, install Galileo FX. Now it says personal because I have the personal license. In your case, it might say Pro or any other version that you have purchased. So we open it, we just arrange it here quickly. Then you can see we have the files. This one is for MetaTrader 4, it says MT4. This one is for MetaTrader 5. We are gonna copy the license key on the display as well, just to have it there. And then you want to copy the corresponding MetaTrader file over to the file of the MetaTrader platform. In this case, it's going to be MetaTrader 4. So we just right click, copy, right click, paste, and you can see it showed up here in this file. So we close them. Then we'll need to open MetaTrader 4 back up. So we just search it up, MetaTrader 4 like this, and it's going to open up the platform. And here on this side, you see we have the navigator bar. If the navigator bar is missing, you can go to View, and you have the option here that says Navigator. Just click on it and it's going to show up here. And then you're going to look for Expert Advisors. You pick this little plus and you can see that the Galileo bot is added here. So now we're going to need to add it to the charts. So you're going to simply click on it once and then you drag it on the chart that you want. So click on it once and then drag it and it's going to look something like this. You release it and it opens up this little window for you. First things first, we go over to the Common tab and we make sure Allow Live Trading, Allow DLL Imports, and Allow Modification of Signal Settings are checked in. These always have to be checked in. So make sure you also select them when you add the software to a new chart. After we've done this, we go over to Inputs. This is where the magic happens. This is where we input all the numbers. Now, when you purchase the software, we also have an online page with settings that you can access that looks something like this. See, it has all the Forex currencies that we offer with the settings that we have used. So you're gonna see what chart you're adding the software to, in this case Euro to USD, and over the inputs based on the settings from this page, you're gonna look up the currency Euro to USD. There are multiple of them because we have found more settings that work with the software, but I'm gonna go for this one. And then you just copy the numbers over. So lot size 0.1, that's fine. take profit 250 as per the table, stop loss 150 as per the table, and then bullish and bearish signals. Bullish signal 6, bearish signal 5. Then we click on OK and it closes. And we can see that the software is here. To adjust any settings, you just double click on the little emoji and it automatically brings up the page. And you can see that the settings are saved in here. You can always double check them. Let's see, 250, 150, 6 and 5. And make sure you don't forget about the time frame. So it says M15. So we select the chart, then M15. You can see it automatically switched it over. And then you just rinse and repeat the process. You click on it, you select, add it to the chart, go to common, make sure these are checked in, go over to inputs, and from the settings page look up the currency, in this case GBP to USD. And then you open up your MetaTrader, input the numbers 200 and 0. You look up the bullish and bearish signals. In our case, it's gonna be 9 and 7. And then you click OK. And once you've done all this for all the charts that you want to trade with, you have this button in here that says Auto Trading. You just click it, and you've noticed that the little emoji changed to a smiley face from a sad face. Currently auto trading is off, so it's a sad face. Click it once, it changes to a smiley face. That means that the software is currently trading. So that was it for today for the MetaTrader 4 platform. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers!